Imana, enwere ihe kwuru before about education. Ebe I can try bidon. Ima, onye ona na na education, who education help? Okay, they say if you say education is expensive, try ignorance. Do you know how you see how education polish you? Do you know what you are doing now? You do public admin. All need how nature just style ways academia, all those old style. You got for that. You will see the difference. You see the way you mix education with knowledge. Do you see how you will be able to hold your platform? Education, see, we even try to clarify. Our parents told us that go to school, come back and get a job. That is a wrong phenomenon. The education is going to school to gain knowledge and to be able to live in this world. You mustn't use education to go and look for a job. But education is where you impart knowledge, know how to interact with people, broaden your way, broaden your contact, broaden your brain. You become well solid and grounded in the world. And with so many things I teach you in a university, which you will not see on the street. Check your own nwere ego gụrụ akwụkwọ. Check it out nwere ego agụ ha akwụkwọ. The difference is clear. Obi Kubana is a graduate. Do you see how he carry himself? Even in one hand China and I gụrụ akwụkwọ, they are not just, and if you want to grow up, if you go see only movement and I put the difference, nigga. If I lay yama, if you go, if you go see me.
Thank you, Mr. George. At least, me when you also, ebi matra na education dem. At least it's something. Ihe kwuru eziokwu.
So onye ona na so education won scam onye ha macha ife. Okay, uko onu kponara umu ya na ha na agụ akwụkwọ so ha gocha akwụkwọ na ha agụ university. Ha gocha university ha je gba boy. Even had to go grounded both ways. Nya akwa akụrụ ka ha like Mommy Joyce now akwa akụrụ ka una marriage yesterday. So akwa agụ no wa akwa agụ na education ekwuru, akwa agụ na nke owe ekwuru, akwa agụ na wisdom ekwuru. That is the best key you can give your children. So don't joke with education. Education is not just about going to school and come and look for job. Let me tell you, in a akwụkwọ na Nigeria, na ebuno buno ka ije chọọ ọrụ, any di ime obodo ya examine. In a job in Nigeria is to gain knowledge and become independent in your own, not to go and look for job. Getting salary is good, but depending 100% salary is working in a disaster, financial disaster in your life. Because we will 60 years, we use it to become independent in life. All very, very important. So don't joke with education. Yeah. So regarding other things in life, you see, this life is a teacher. You know, this life is like a football field. So you decide, are you a player or are you a spectator? Some are just spectators, just watching and why the world is going. Even watching, most of these young people now, they don't even understand what is life. They don't know how to start. See, a man without a vision is a dead man. If you don't have a vision in this life, you just be perambulating up and down. No objective, no dream, no vision. There's no way you can survive in this world, you can succeed. It's impossible. So, you know where I learned this thing? During COVID-19, and we course in jail. I paid about $100 for that course. When that course really changed. Our people are there like email training or email course or to upgrade themselves, to widen their knowledge. I now understand life in another level. See, anything you will achieve. Okay, let me give you an example. If you have a contract of 1 billion naira in Ikoyi, and Ibn Ikeja, Gabriel Moto, Naga, Lagos, Naga, Ikoyi, Gapota na Pangrove, Moto maybe, are you going to go back home? Wisdom. Can you go back? Anybody's got to me?
For me, how important the stuff you're going is for.
Okay. You have a 1 billion naira contract in Ikoyi. Gabriel Moto Potana Pangrove. Moto maybe. Are you going to go back or what are you going to do?
$1 billion contract. There are two things involved there. Sorry, I have to be technical answering your question, Ogan, with due
Uh,
respect.
uh,
Understand?
I want to test your
One,
IQ now.
yeah, one. Only some people, their life is more important to them than that money they're about to make. If you know that money worth more than your life, if your life is worth more than that money, especially if you're well known, and you know that people after you, like your security, you
No,
understand?
I'm talking about as a nobody. As a nobody
Okay,
that started life.
as nobody. Okay, if you are nobody, man, you have to go for that contract. You understand? That car, you
So
can
what do
buy
you
the
do?
car you're
Your
using.
motor maybe knows. What do you do? You go back home or what do you do?
No, you have to find a means to get there. You understand? Nothing comes
Thank you.
so easy in life. You know that.
Thank you, Holy Dear. You have answered my question.
Okay.
Now, you came out in the morning again. You choice J, you want to go and flex, you want to go to Babish, you want to go and drink and eat, and moto maybe a nose. What do? You go back home, right? Because you don't have any objective. You don't have any major thing in agreement. So that is how this life is. If you don't have a dream, if you don't have objective, if you don't have a vision, vision is what drives you to achieve your destiny. You might say, okay, I want to buy aeroplane next year. It's not a must you buy that aeroplane, no. But that aeroplane will become a driving force for you to work hard. Even if you reach at the middle or not getting enough money to buy that plane, that thing will go driving force. But what I've seen in this our new generation, they don't have dream, they don't have the objective. Imagine mother in hall, you want to wear bone straight, where your head no straight. You want to use iPhone 16, where you don't have a job. Do you know iPhone 16 about 2 million naira? Even if somebody that you that iPhone 6 as onye nwere oboro, ị gale were ejebido afia. Give iPhone 16 naka na achọ oche 2K. Sometimes I wonder what is wrong with this our generation. Yeah. So ogosiri inweho you are a non-entity. Inweho anything ema.